Hey guys, welcome back. Yeah, my hands are in blue. Hey guys, welcome back. This is Rahul, Tech Originals Rahul P guys. As you could read the title and you came on this video guys. This video I'm gonna show you how to get App Store plus on your iOS device. So basically this is the iPhone 6 right here with the iOS 12 working, but there is the 13 more paper. What can we do right now? You know what? So I'm gonna teach you how to get the App Store whereas you can buy everything. You can get the games you want. Suppose I am searching an app called as Video Leap on the App Store. Video Leap. So just have a look that this costs me, like, this is the free version, but when you get this you can see the free trial and if you buy the complete package, creativity kit or GTA, you can see the basic paid game, the GTA San Andreas. Okay, that's not free, but that's very obvious. So I'll just search a GTA official game. So you can see this is of rupees 549, which is very much, isn't that? So you have to go to get the App Store plus. Okay, so to get the App Store plus, you basically need an app called as OG Helper. As you can see, it's right here, OG Helper. So whenever you open the app, you can see whichever app you want just for free. So basically from OG Helper app you can get the Spotify plus for free, Music plus for free, Tinder, Snapchat, OnlyFans, TikTok, App Store, and very much for free, like the Minecraft Pocket Edition for free itself, Netflix plus, Disney plus, Tweet app, Zoom plus, and lots of games, GTA 5, like it's completely unimaginable for you, right? So basically I'm going to teach how to get that. So you have to just press on the settings, and after going to the settings you have to search something called as background app refresh. So whenever you get this on the search bar, you just have to press this and you get this background app refresh option, and it should be Wi-Fi mobile data. Yeah, it should not be off, nor it should be Wi-Fi, nor it should be like both of them. It should be Wi-Fi and mobile data, so you can download it properly without any problem. So you're done almost 50% just after doing this. Next you have to do is just press on the Safari app. Okay, so firstly basically I'll delete the OG Helper app so that we'll able to see how I install it. So it's like, because of OG Helper app you'll able to install the App Store plus. So if I delete that, let me first show that to you. I'll just press the home button, I mean the Safari, press new. Guys, I'll show you a link just right there, as you can see right upside. Also I'll bring this iPad. Okay, now you'll able to see there is a link called as oghelper.net. yeah, so without any mistake just type oghelper.net. don't make any mistake. oghelper.net. Just press go. You can see this is what we should expect after it comes. So just waiting for it. So this will come for those who have the older version, iOS 13. Yeah, till date today we are using iOS 13 itself. So just keep it in the center. Yeah, so you can just see OG Helper iOS tweaks installer. So it is very important to install. Just press download app. Okay, you can now see please add OG Helper icon to home screen. Press on this. Now you'll be able to see. Oh, not that. Now you're able to see. This is the older version, as I told you. This is the iOS 12. This is the iOS 13. So now you'll be able to see. Okay, what's that happening? Add to home screen. Okay, I don't know. There is a filter. Now you just have to panda. Oh my god, that was so weird. Okay, so just press add. Now it has added successfully, as you can see. OG helper. I'll first bring it here just to show you. Now we are almost like done, not almost completely, because now just press an OG helper and then you have to install this Appstore after pressing this button. Yes, and you're done and get what you want just right there. Okay, I hope you like, share, comment and subscribe. This is the Appstore++. I just wanted to delete the App Store. That's so weird, isn't that? And I have these all apps for free. I bought paid edition, including this Pro. So comment down below, like this video, share this video. I'm telling you, because all your friends should get to know about this. This is very helpful method, and I hope you liked it, as it was a bit helpful, I guess. Comment down, was that helpful or not? Subscribe to my channel if you are new, and if you have any doubt, just comment me down below, and do this as fast as possible, as there can be some problems if you do it within 5 minutes, because like, you have to do it within 1 minute process, then only you'll able to open this, because it has some weird problems, injection apps and stuff like that. So just try to do it within 1 minute. You'll get to solve the solution, because the builder is working on this. So blue hands. Like this video, share, comment and subscribe. Okay, bye bye.